Hi, this is Gordon Young with Maximum PC Magazine. We're back at CES. Obviously, the big news this week was Intel's Sandy Bridge processor. This is a hot chip. The big deal is it's got a really kick-ass, well, for integrated graphics part. But the problem for enthusiasts is once you plug in your discrete video card, that onboard graphics chip, which you can use for video encoding using Intel's QuickSync Video, turns off. But Dave Salvatore with Intel is about to show me something that will let you actually run the integrated graphics part in a Sandy Bridge along with the discrete part.
That's right, Gordon. What we have here is some technology from a company called Lucid Logics. And what we did is basically we wanted to listen to the enthusiast community. And one of the things we heard from them was, look, we kind of want the best of everything. We love running our 1080p panels at 1080p, and we want to rock all the high-end games, but we also want all the goodness on the Intel side of things. That includes QuickSync Video, also our Intel Insider program, as well as our stereoscopic 3D playback. So what we wanted to do is figure out a good software solution to enable that, and Lucid Logics has actually come up with that. Now, some of your readers may have heard of these guys because they do what's called a Hydra chip, which has been implemented in some motherboards to allow multi-GPU using whatever GPUs you want. This is somewhat similar in that you can use whatever GPU you want, but it's a software-only solution. So I'm basically running this on a stock Intel motherboard, basically the very same one press reviewers were using for the reviews that just went up. And what I've got running here, what looks like just sort of a garden variety QuickSync Video demo, which you've probably seen a fair amount of. But what I want to show you is this. In addition to running that, what I also have going here is what's called the Heaven benchmark from Unigine. So let me bring that up. And you see it running here. Now this is running on an NVIDIA GTX 480 I have in my system down here, okay? And then what we're doing is the output of that is being basically brought across PCIe and copied into the frame buffer of HD graphics, and then is output via the HD graphics DVI output. There is audio output as well, which goes over the HDMI cable. Now what's neat about that is, so this gives you both the ability to have all those great Intel features we talked about, as well as, high-end DX11 sort of enthusiast graphics support, right? But not only does it give you both of them in the same system, as I'm going to show you here, it gives you both of them in the same system at the same time. So while, that Heaven benchmark is running, I'm going to go ahead and kick off an encode here, and off it goes. The current plan is to have it be licensed by motherboard makers, so when you go to buy your motherboard, you'll probably see some sticker on the box or something that will say includes Lucid Logics technology, something like that, and you can get it that way.
Anyway, that's Lucid Logic's GPU virtualization technology demonstrated by Intel. It's pretty cool because it really does address one of the problems with running, the awesome Sandy Bridge chip with a discrete card, which is what most enthusiasts will run. Hopefully there'll be more cool stuff like that at CES. Stay tuned to Maximum PC for more. This is Gordon Young. Talk to you later.